guys, ito na. Ito. Si Lisa yan. Si Lisa yan. Kupcha? Guys.
May interview.
Mga maganda lang. Lisa.
Yung meta lang, andan na eh. Andan na.
Ang kundi na ano ni ate. Masarap. Ilan na ba ito? Akin 3. Napakabigay ko na.
Hello, good afternoon.
One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7.
Thank you. Hello, Grace. So, good afternoon. Ay, good afternoon ka ba? Or evening na? So, saan medyo pagabi na? Okay. So, we'll be giving the background of Boehringer. Helix, a family-owned business. It's a pharmaceutical company for both human pharma and animal health. Example products for human pharma is Jardiance and Trajenta, which is for to treat diabetes. And then Lipardis for hypertension, and while for animal health, sample product is NexGard. But this company who you are applying now is a shared service company. So we have 4 centers. One is located in Germany, Buenos Aires, and recently in Poland, and third in Manila, in Alabama. So it was started last 7 years ago. And currently, Manila is headed by Kirsten Meredith, and she's managing different streams within, like accounting reporting, enabling services, general management, hire to retire, master data management, si order to cash, si IT, and last, which is our team, si S2P or si Search to Pay. And then, under Search to Pay, then we have different substreams. So, example is si S2P Direct. So, S2P Direct siya yung customer support. I think you're familiar naman. Meron siya yung customer support via calls or emails. And they're using my service ticketing as a ticketing system. And then, usually the customer is coming from DI employees or from the vendor. And then the common inquiry coming from the vendors are usually mga payments files lang siya. And for DI employee or business partner or minsan kasama na rin yung payment status and then also system navigations for both PO system and also accounts payable system. And then we have also S2P Central Team which is handling technical support. So they are also using my service na as a ticketing system. And then we have purchasing team or BPO team who approve purchase requisition. Again, raise yung business partner ng mga purchase requisition. And then also we have travel and expense. It's also under S2P. And then last is our team which you are applying, ngayon si accounts payable. And under accounts payable, we currently have 3 teams. We are handling 3 different regions. So under my team, I'm handling APAC markets and also India. And then we have one for TCM, ito yung mga China market natin. And then North America, which is headed by Jeanette. So ito yung mga United States, Puerto Rico, which is ito yung ina-applyan mo ngayon sa United States, Puerto Rico, at saka sa Canada. So yung shift ng North America is yung follow local shift. So sa Philippines, night shift siya, no? So usually it's 8 to 5 or 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. or 9 p.m. to 6 p.m. So ako naman is morning shift minsan or for TCM. Ayan. And then, to give you background naman for system that we are using in accounts payable. So, we are using invoice track system. It's a web-based system, no? So, doon napapasok lahat. So, the vendor will send their invoices directly. We have a designated PDF mailbox per country. So, yun, nag-interface na siya. Ito interface ni IBD. We also have OCR. So, the system will automatically capture everything na. So, like for example, the vendor name, the invoice number, the date, the amount, and also the PO number, etc. So, what accounts payable will do is just to talaga validate, yung tama din na capture, and of course, to follow din kung ano yung mga local regulation natin or mga local specific. So, it's more on validation. But of course, system naman is not perfect at capturing all the data. So, meron talagang, even the invoice number, nagkakamali din si system. Kaya that's why, we need to double check. And then sometimes then, pag hindi clear, so pag the details kasi in the invoice is not clear, then the system will not be able to capture. Minsan, question mark siya or blank. Sure, it's the task of the accounts payable. Ayan, and then also the approval of invoice from the business partner also happens in the invoice shop. So the business partner also have access to IDP or to invoice shop to active invoices. And then, ayan, so we also post the invoice in the invoice shop. We have SAP, but SAP is more on, na lang siya, interfacing. So after we post the invoice in invoice shop, it will interface to SAP. And then, more on reporting side is the SAP, like yung report, mga gano'n. So, yun yung main task. That's the main task of accounts payable, invoice processing. And then, the second main task is reporting. So, our common reporting that we have here in the center is GRIR, or it's the goods receipt and invoice receipt reconciliation. So, that's our task to monitor. And then also the aging report or the open items in the vendor letter. So it's also the task of accounts payable to monitor yung mga open items. So why it's still not being cleared or paid, and so what are the issues. So it's our responsibility to find out the new and then aside from that, we also have we are also handling my service or the ticketing tax. Kasi not all the queries coming from the vendor or coming from the employees will be answered by S2P Direct Team or by the S2P Central Team. So we also have our own group. So, pero same pa din, kay S2P Direct pa rin siya, but SOP Direct will help to accounts payable. So, majority na is mga urgent payment or mga payment status, so it's the responsibility of accounts payable to provide the payment status. So, yun yung the usual. So, kadalasan sa MA, so marami tayo sa North America na mga SOA or mga statement of account. Yes, so medyo maraming I think 3 tickets to 5 siguro on a daily basis. Of course, in one ticket, we have multiple invoices. So, hindi lang siya isa, dalawa, tatlo. We have a lot of invoices underneath one. So, ayun. So, that's the 3 main tasks of accounts payable. But of course, we still have mga ad hoc tasks, no, na
So guys,
sa interview. It will be in case you will be hired, so during the
ang bigat.
And in terms of the vote,
Umay na.
for North America as
Naman.
well, we have
Ito.
go live recently lang, last January. Caretaker state in NA or last year, pero we have automation. Actually, we have automation rate, but come this January 2024,
Sa atin ngayon.
migration, so natanggal, we disable the automation for North America. So that's why we have a spike of volume. So daily, per processor, nag-handle sila ng 100 invoices and above. So I think the siguro max is 150. And then of course, it is during month end, nag-spike yung volume. Ayun. So I think I already provided the background in terms of that if you have any additional thank you. Rizal? Rizal? Nagbo-boarding house ka? Saan ka nagbo-boarding house? Sa Alabang. Dyan ka nagbo-boarding house.
Tipo ako.